What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the fastest way that you can start earning money with YouTube and AI tools. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be taking you through step by step of how you can start earning and making your first dollar online. And you're also going to get access to a bunch of stuff like the digital playbook that you see right here. You'll get access to 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. You get access to the VIP checklist right here that shows you step by step the framework and systems that I'm using in my own company, as along with tutorials for setting everything up. You also get access to the different short form prompts that I'm using for my social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. You also get access to about 700 done for you AI videos that you're able to use for your short form content. You're also going to get access to 3 different make blueprints that have the scenarios and the tutorials of how to set everything up. And then just some extra resources to, let's say you don't want to go the affiliate route and you want to reach out to local businesses, DM scripts, and then different Fiverr gigs that I've used along the way as well. All this stuff you're going to get access to today. All you have to do is just comment down below yes, that lets me know you're taking action, and I will send everything directly to you. So without talking too much, let's go ahead and dive in. First thing you're going to need to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com right here. This is where you're just put in your first name and email, and it'll take you right here to our group. As you can see, there's 1,100 people in here that are all taking action. I do have some other just like simple things that are super cheap that if you're a little bit more advanced, you can go ahead and purchase, and then you'll get access to the digital playbook right here. So the first thing on the digital playbook is you're going to need to get high level or some type of CRM. I like and recommend high level just because you guys are able to use my snapshot, which has all my framework and emails already imported in there. And what I want to be talking about is going to be just the sites, automations, and marketing. Sites, that's where your funnel is going to be. Automations, that's where the email automations are. And then marketing is probably the most important. That's how you're going to be able to schedule out your different social media content. So all you'll need to do is just go back to the digital playbook, click here, sign up if you don't already have an account. And then once you do, you'll get taken to this screen right here. Now, before we get into the funnel and everything, I want to touch on picking the tool that you want to start getting paid to promote. But the essential tools and the top picks right here are probably my favorite AI tools that you're able to promote. But let's say you're more into writing, there's tools down here. And let's say you like funnel builders, SEO tools. I got tools for pretty much everything. And let's go high level for an example again. Pretty much all these softwares, if you scroll down to the very bottom, they're going to have an area down here that allows you to become an affiliate. And once you just go ahead and click here and sign up, you'll get a link like this. And this is what we're going to be driving content to through email marketing. Now, this isn't the fastest way to make money. The fastest way to make money is going to be going the route of Instagram and DMs. But I say this way is the fastest because if you're experienced and if you have a couple Instagram accounts and you know how to drive traffic, which I'm going to be teaching you how to do, this can be the most lucrative because traffic or attention is the new currency. So driving attention to this link, getting clicks, you'll be able to make money. So now that we have our affiliate link, we're going to go back into the playbook and then we'll go to import snapshot. And like I said, this is going to allow you to import all my funnels and all my email automations, triggers, custom values already imported into your account, which is super easy. You'll just click right here and it'll get imported. But let's go ahead and go to sites. Now, all you'll need to do is it'll be named digital playbook. Obviously you can change it, but my opt-in is really simple and gets really good conversions. It just has, I saw it. This is literally the site right here. So I actually give you guys this. As you can see, boom, put in the information. And once you have this, change it up, obviously, make it your own. But I give you the template and the framework that I use as well. So we have the opt-in. Now let's talk about the backend or the email automation and sequences. You'll get access to everything you see here. And then the email sequence that I want you guys to start out with is going to be called the new email opt-in. And that is because you guys are going to have access to over like 60 emails. Now they are geared toward promoting high level, but all you have to do is just take these emails, put them into ChatGPT, and just tell it to reframe it to whatever tool, program, checklist that you guys are going to be promoting. But now you have the subject headlines and you have all the data. Now it's just going to take a little bit of time to reframe it. If you don't want to promote Go High Level, promote any other tool, just use these emails as a framework for when you put them in ChatGPT to tell it to make you some new emails. And then all you would need to do is just add a trigger right here. So you would just do something like maybe you wanted to, a new contact is created, or more, you're going to have a new form, and then just pick the form that goes to that funnel that you have. And if you have any questions or how to set everything up, just message me inside the group. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. Now, if you do want to get on a one-on-one coaching call with me, I do have that option too, but it will cost you. But if you just want, quick response, just send a message in the chat. So going back to the digital playbook, once we have the automations filled out, the next step is going to be probably the most important, but it's going to be creating content. Now, there's a couple ways that you can create content. One of the ways, which I was teaching earlier, was going to be go into CapCut and use the done for you short form videos that I have, and then add the captions. You'll have to go into 11 Labs and add the voiceovers. But there's a new tool that I've been talking about, which is called Blotato. You're obviously able to use Blotato to write written content as far for like LinkedIn, Twitter, but I'm going to be talking about the video part of it, because it allows you to not only create your own scripts, but it allows you to import, or the voices are already imported in here, and also you're able to import the captions as well. So it takes away 2 to 3 steps that I was previously talking about. Now what I do is I just go over to the digital playbook, I take one of my prompts, and then I copy it in here and then create it that way. But I know a lot of the people that watch my channel maybe aren't into promoting different AI tools and want to do like a faceless YouTube channel or something like that. You're able to do that with Blotato, as you can see right here. Choose a different theme, and then you'll just generate a script using AI, just whatever the story topic you want it to be. And then you're able to make it at least 2 minutes long. So there's a lot of really cool options of how to do that. And if you want to see a video of how I walk you through how to do this step by step, the content creation part of it, just go ahead and go to my channel, and there's going to be a video titled about Blotato. There's a couple on there pretty much talking about the same thing, and that's going to give you the best results. And then so going down the checklist, you'll see one of the last things I talk about is setting up your avatar. That's how I was originally making my short form content. So gives you different tutorials of how to do that. But pretty much if you follow this checklist, you will start to generate views, which is going to get you leads into your email automations, and then you'll be able to start getting clicks, and then the clicks are eventually going to turn into people signing up for the different AI tools that you are promoting. Now, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just go ahead and join this group. That's going to be called the Fulfillment Seekers. That's going to be talking about how I'm taking this and scaling it. It is not ready yet, but it will be ready soon. So go ahead and join here so you can get all the notifications. Go to digitalplaybook.com if you want everything. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.